Thiko ya gatatu na ya muthia ya monanio ma unduire wa ruriri rwa Jaruo kauntini ya Siaya rutire mweke kuri mutongoria wa bururi Ruto kugena gitaro giki kia Nyanza gwa itina ringi kurumirira macera mahituku kuria mukirirwo na gikeno na andu hiu ni muingi na atongoria amwe no kurumirira kumbwo gwa thirikari ya urumwe. Umuthi mutongoria wa bururi anyitanire na president wa Uganda Yoweri Museveni hindi ya monanio maya kuria matugiririe bata wa guthingata unduire wa nduriri ciothe na makiria moguo guthingatithia urumwe gatagati ka nduriri ciothe bururi-ini undu umwe na gitaro-ini kia Afrika ya irathiro.
And it is the context that we can belong to one community and also belong to different nationalities. And we can belong to different communities, but also belong to one nationality.
If there are Jaruos in Congo, in Uganda, in South Sudan, in Ethiopia, in Kenya, in Tanzania, why don't you use that? Why don't you use it to bring these countries together?
Atongoria ningi ni mahinyiriirie bata wa kuhuthia mithiire gatagati ka muingi wa mabũrũri ma Afrika ya irathiro niguo kugacirithia urumwe na wonjoria gatagati ka mabũrũri maya guku mendekithĩtie weheria wa mĩhaka na mĩhĩnga yothe ya kĩwonjoria na ũthii wa muingi gatagati ka mabũrũri maya ma Afrika ya irathiro.
We must use the artificial boundaries that exist not as roadblocks but as stepping stones. Not as hurdles, but as bridges for our people, their goods, services to cross borders between our countries.
These borders, what right do they have to divide people like this? Are they maintained by Christians or by people who are not Christians? Because remember, the Bible says, what God has put together, man should not put asunder. And our view is that these borders, we don't need to become impediments to cooperation and working together.
Hindi ya monanio maya atongoria ni mahũrĩire ndebe kĩoneki kia Raila Odinga gũtuĩka mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kanjũ ya ũrũmwe wa mabũrũri ma Afrika AUC makiuga arĩ na ũmenyo wa gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ gũkinyũkithia gĩtarũ kia Afrika ikinya rĩu rĩngĩ na makĩria moguo agacĩrithie wonjoria gatagati ka mabũrũri ma Afrika.
We are supporting the candidature of Raila for the chairmanship of the African Union, but the real power he will help us to do some mobilization and some, we call it what, brainstorming, but the real power is with us here.
We spoke to all the East African heads of state and we confirmed that we had the right candidate with the right credentials.
Githurano kia no kaiyukia giturwa giki kia AUC kuma kuri Musa Faki wa Chad uria utirihite itena riake ria utongoria gigatabanio mweri ukite bururi-ini wa Ethiopia kuria Odinga atanyite gukorwo iyukitio nyiti mbaru wa mabũrũri maingĩ Afrika guku President Ruto atariirie mwihoko wake wa Odinga gukaiyukia uhotani.
His credentials that traverse many areas, his proven track record as a Pan-African, as a foresighted, uniting factor, is going to be of immense value to our region in matters of ensuring that our region is peaceful, managing the different conflicts in our continent.
Ngirivotera Kameme TV, Gitagomora Wagunya.